So in the 5+1 model, we're still in the second discipline, which is targeting. And in my last video, I talked about the ideal client, knowing who you're targeting so that all of your efforts go towards focusing on the right potential client. But really how you become sort of this advanced business owner, really this entrepreneur who can take it to the next level. That's taking your ideal client and moving to ideal connector. Now, the ideal connector is the person who's already done all the hard work to get the eyeballs, the ears, and the attention of your ideal client. And so what you're gonna wanna do is get in the circle and identify who your ideal connector is so you can get in their circle, understand how you can get in front of your ideal client. I call this creating your top 20 list. So it's really simple and easy to create the top 20 list. These again are your ideal connectors that are gonna get you in front of your ideal client. And remember, they've done all the hard work. They have, spent the money on advertising. They've spoken on stages, or they've done a ton of social media to gather the attention of this person. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna create a list of 20 people that are ideal connectors that you can get in front of. The simplest way to do this, let's say I'm looking for real estate agents, insurance agents. These are ideal connectors for me. What I would do is create a column. One column was gonna say real estate agents. The next is gonna say insurance agents. And I'm gonna pick 4 of these types of columns of categories of people that I'm looking to connect with. Then under each one of those columns, I'm gonna come up with at least 5 names, right? 5 times 4 is 20. So now you have 20 names. This becomes your top 20. And these are specific people, not just, again, the category might be real estate or a realtor. Now the top 5 specific people that I wanna connect with. I'm gonna list them out. And this is what you're gonna do to now connect with this top 20 list. When it comes to your social media, you wanna make sure that you are a producer more than being a consumer. Social media is built in the way to consume it, to just endlessly scroll. But you're gonna change your mindset on this, and you're gonna use your top 20 list to do it. And so you're gonna take this top 20 list, and I prefer to use Instagram. It's the way that I do it because they have the stories at the top. And so now you're gonna go follow every one of these people on your top 20 list. And then each day when you log in and you're producing social media, but in this small chance you're gonna consume, you're gonna do it in this top 20 list. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll across the stories and look for the people that are in your top 20 and just really quickly see what's going on in their life. Maybe they've got a promotion, maybe they sold, made a big sale, maybe they got an award, maybe they're having an event, something like that. You're now clued into it because you're following them in the Instagram stories. What's also cool is that Instagram starts to notice that you are looking at those stories, and their algorithm will put them first. So after a few weeks, you'll notice your top 20 list starts to become almost in order the people that you're gonna be seeing first. And so it's a really simple, quick way to know what's going on. So now let's say I'm following John. John is a real estate agent. I'm following him. I see his story up there. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at it. And let's just say that John received an award and he posts something about this accomplishment, this award. It's very simple to just start to reach out, right? I need to get in his awareness and his proximity so that I can start to connect with him. So simply, I might just say a really simple message directly to John. Hey, John, congrats on the award. Like, that's simple, that easy. Don't try to hit a home run the first swing. Don't try to create this, hey, I got this business opportunity for you. When do you have a chance to talk? Doesn't work. People see that coming a mile away. Just simply acknowledge the award. A couple days later, you see something else. Again, thumbs up, a quick message, really simple things to get on their radar. Not that long ago, there was somebody that I was asked to connect with. And so I started following them on social media, and we tried to interactions back and forth through social media. But again, he didn't know who I was. And so there wasn't really that drive and understanding of why we should connect. Then recently he was on a Facebook Live with another friend of mine, and I just made some simple comments about loving the content they were sharing, etc. And the host of the show called out that I was making comments. Hey man, that's awesome. I'm doing an event this weekend in your area. I'd love to have you come. I just made the comment, I'll see if I can arrange my schedule to make it work. And then he made the comment like, hey, I heard you're a great speaker. So why don't you come speak at the event? Like, that was without even talking to them. And I say that because now he is an ideal connector. He has an audience. He's putting an event together, a room where things can happen, and he's asked me to be there. Now I have the attention of all the people in that room. Again, he did all the heavy lifting. He did the hard work. He's done all the mailings. He's done all the promotion. He put the event together. He's paid all the expense. He's got the heavy burden of making sure an event comes off. I get to show up and speak, and now I have the attention of everyone in that room. Guys, this is one of the key skill sets. And with social media, it makes it so much easier to connect with people like never before, to do this in a way that is authentic and direct to somebody that could put you in front of the people they've done all the hard work for. So make your top 20 list every single day, log in, look at what's happening in their life, send a quick message, send a video message. It's something that I'm starting to do a little bit more of is through text message and sending a video in the text message directly to that person. person. I learned this from a friend of mine, Ryan. He does this in his business. And I was just listening to somebody I referred to him, and the person I referred was like, man, it was so amazing. I got this video from him and I thought it was just gonna be sort of a canned video. And it was a specific video just for me. And it meant so much to this new prospect for my friend Ryan that I referred over to him. So I'm starting to play with that as well. Like, how can I stand out when I send these messages, but not in a way where I'm trying to shoot for an opportunity? Just connect with people. That's what they want. They want to know what's in it for them. Are you trying to get this long-term play? Don't try to shoot that out first thing. Just connect with people, understand how you can add value, and use your top 20 list in social media. Be that producer, not the consumer, and use the top 20 list to get in front of your ideal connector.